Hi, I'm Professor Susan DeGize. This tutorial is on practice 6.10b. Directions. Construct the following melodic minor scales on the staff using whole notes. For all melodic minor scales, always write the scale both ascending and descending. Use accidentals. Do not use a key signature. Do not add a time signature. And do not add bar lines. All right, I'm going to do number 1. If you feel comfortable, go ahead and do numbers 1, 2, and 3 on your own. Pause the video and press play when you're ready. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the D scale. So I'm just going to go up from D to D, and then I'm going to go back down. Okay, what is the key signature of D minor? 1 flat. So I'm going to add a flat here. So that's the D natural minor scale. To make it melodic, I need to raise scale degrees 6 and 7. So I'm going to raise this B flat to B natural, but I have to add the B flat back here because it's got to return back to the same natural minor scale on the way back. So I raised this B flat to B natural, but I reinserted the flat here. Now I need to raise this C, so I'm going to raise the C to C sharp, but that means I need to put a natural here. So let's go ahead and listen to the melodic minor scale. So the end of the scale sounds different because we're raising 6 and 7 on the way up, but then we're bringing it back to the natural minor on the way down. Why don't you try number 2 on your own? Pause the video and press play when you're ready. Okay, so first I'm going to write from F to F. This is an F sharp melodic scale, so I definitely need F sharps there. Okay, what's the key signature for F sharp minor? 3 sharps. So we need F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. This is the F sharp natural minor scale. In order to make it melodic, I need to raise 6 and 7. So D becomes D sharp, but I'm going to put a natural over here. And E becomes E sharp, but I need to put a natural over there. All right, let's go ahead and do number 3. Pause the video and press play when you're ready. Okay, so we're going to start with E flat, and we're just going to go up the scale till we get to E flat. Wow, that D is not looking good. I'm going to erase that, fix it there, much better. And then we need to write the scale going back down. Okay, so what is the key signature for E flat minor? 6 flats. So we have B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat. So that is the E flat natural minor scale. To make it melodic, I need to raise 6 and 7. So this C flat becomes C natural. But I have to add the flat here. This D flat becomes D natural. But I need to add the flat over there. Okay? All right, so the best way to practice this is just pick any minor key. So D sharp minor, and say I'm going to write a D sharp melodic minor scale, and actually write it out with your pencil or stylus. That's the best way to practice writing these. You've now completed the tutorial for practice 6.10b. Thank you for watching.